This class we will discuss about the single tone amplitude modulation. Single tone means single frequency component any meaning. So consider a modulating wave m of t that consists of a single tone, that means a single frequency component or single tone amplitude. So here let m of t consist a single tone or single frequency component, that is m of t is equals to am cos 2 pi fmt. So here am represents the amplitude of the modulating wave and fm nothing but the frequency of the baseband signal. So the sinusoidal carrier wave has amplitude AC and frequency FC. So here it is given as the carrier signal C of t is equals to AC cos 2 pi FCT, and the corresponding amplitude modulated wave modified signal, that means it is given by. So what is the amplitude modulated wave? That is S of t is equals to AC 1 plus Ka m of t cos 2 pi FCT. So that is the original standard amplitude modulated wave. Now we can substitute m of t in S of t equation. So that is AC into 1 plus Ka am cos 2 pi fmt into cos 2 pi FCT. That means the resultant signal, the corresponding am wave is S of t is equals to AC into 1 plus mu cos 2 pi fmt into cos 2 pi fct. So in the above equation, that is the S of t equation, mu nothing but Ka into am, mu nothing but Ka into am. This is called as modulation factor or modulation index antam. The mu called as modulation factor or modulation index or percentage modulation antam. So it must be kept below unity in order to avoid distortion due to over modulation. So ఈ సింగిల్ టోన్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ మాడ్యులేషన్ జరగాలి అంటే ఇట్ మస్ట్ బి kept below unity, అంటే less than 1 అయి ఉండాలి. సో ఓవర్ మాడ్యులేషన్ నుంచి మనం ఈ డిస్టార్షన్ని అవాయిడ్ చేయాలి అంటే ద మ్యూ వాల్యూ మస్ట్ అండ్ షుడ్ లెస్ దాన్ 1 ఉండాలి. మ్యూ మస్ట్ బి లెస్ దాన్ 1 అయి ఉండాలి. మ్యూ అంటే ఏంటి, ఇక్కడ మనం మాడ్యులేటింగ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ అంటాం లేదా పర్సంటేజ్ మాడ్యులేషన్ అంటాం. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద స్పెక్ట్రమ్, దట్ ఈస్ ద ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ స్పెక్ట్రమ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ సింగిల్ టోన్ amplitude modulation. So the figure 3 represents the time domain. So left side is represented as the time domain and right side is represented as the frequency domain characteristics. Observe this. So this is the A represents the modulating wave and B represents the carrier wave and C represents the single tone amplitude modulated wave. So to observe this figure C, so here there is no distortion is occurred because the modulation factor is always less than unity. సో మ్యూ వాల్యూ అనేది లెస్ దాన్ 1 కంటే తక్కువ ఉంటే సో దెర్ ఈజ్ నో డిస్టార్షన్ ఈజ్ అక్కర్డ్. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ద స్పెక్ట్రమ్ ఆఫ్ సింగిల్ టోన్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ మాడ్యులేషన్. So this is the first one is represented as a modulating wave. So this is the time domain. So left side represents the time domain and right side represents the frequency domain characteristics. So here S of t for mu less than unity. So let a max and a minimum denote the minimum and maximum values of the envelope of the modulated wave respectively. So a max and a minimum, that means a max by a minimum. A max nothing but, so this is the envelope and this one represents the a max and this one represents the a minimum. So a max by a minimum is equals to AC into 1 plus mu by AC into 1 minus mu. So rearranging this equation we may express the modulation factor, that means mu. So mu is equals to a max minus a minimum by a max plus a minimum. That is so expressing the product of two cosine forms, the product of two cosine forms, the sum of two sinusoidal waves, one having frequency fc plus fm and the other having the frequency fc minus fm. So then S of t is equals to AC cos 2 pi fct plus 1 by 2 mu AC cos 2 pi fc plus fm into t plus 1 by 2 mu AC cos 2 pi fc minus fm into t. So to apply this Fourier transform, so it will be converted into frequency domain, right? So this is about the frequency domain characteristics equation. So the spectrum of an AM wave for the special case of sinusoidal modulation, it consists of a delta functions at plus or minus fc, comma plus or minus fm, fc plus or minus fm, and minus fc plus or minus fm. So that is shown in figure like this. That is shown in this figure sheet. So this is variation of carrier power and the total sideband power with the percentage modulation in amplitude modulation. So this is represented as carrier and this one is represented as sidebands. So in practice, the amplitude modulated wave S of t is a voltage or current wave. In either case, the average power delivered to a 1 ohm resistor by S of t. So it is compressed of three components. So one is carrier power, that is 1 by 2 AC square, and next one is upper side band frequency, upper side frequency power, that is 1 by 8 mu square AC square, and lower side frequency power 1 by 8 mu square AC square. So the ratio of the total sideband power to the total power in the modulated wave is equal to mu square by 2 plus mu square. So which depends only on the modulation factor mu. So this is single tone amplitude modulation.